Siyabonga bazalwane. I'm here with the message from Jesus. It was one of the words that he spoke on the cross, and we are going to read from John 19 verse 20. Sizocela ukuba sifundele yona. Verse 30. 19 verse 30.
Wathi ukuba uJesu awabukele uVinika, wathi kufeziwe, wagebisa ikhanda lakhe wafa.
From the English version it says, when he had received the drink, Jesus said, "It is finished." With that he bowed his head and gave up his spirit. It was the time when all was said, all was done. Babe bamshayile uJesu, babe benze konke. Manje nangu sesiphambanweni uthi is finished. Remember guys, tolelwa izono through the animals, the goat, the sheep and the like. But nangu Jesu fikile manje uthi it is finished. Uthi it is finished after bamblamile, after bambone amacala, after bayenze konke naloko kube kungamfanelanga. But the message that I bring to you is that when he said it's finished, it was 2,000 years ago before today. That means thina sibe singekho lapho nokuthi sizoba khona according to this world. But through Jesus Christ and God himself, nangu uJesu uthi it is finished. Ube asho it is finished even to our situations today. It was finished on the cross for your generational curse to stop when it comes to you. It was finished on the cross for your unemployment to stop when it comes to you. Maybe from your generation, abantu bayazi ukuthi la kulo muzi lo angekho noyi-1 onento ezinhle, angekho noyi-1 ophumelelayo. But uJesu uthi it is finished 2,000 years ago. Uthi it is finished for you to have success in this life today. Uthi it is finished for you to have abundance life namhlanje. Uthi it is finished for your sickness. Maybe some of us we are sick here, but it's time for us to get our things back. It is time for us to get our healing back. It is time for us to claim whatever that the devil tried to steal from our life. uJesu ube akhuluma isiprofito according to our life. uJesu ube akhuluma into engekho ngaleso sikhathi, but knowing that one day there will be me and you sitting here with our situation, sitting here with our problem, sitting here with our suffering. Nangu uJesu uthi is finished. I wish if we can live here today with the message that says, Logo akshilo uJesu ube ashona kimi. Logo akshilo uJesu le esiphambanweni ube akushona kimi. Maybe those ones who was there, the soldiers, everyone, Pilate, and those who was there by that time, they never even understand what he was saying. They just feel like, no, we are shona, no. We are shona, we are give up manje. But he was speaking a prophecy to our life, so that when we come across the challenges, so that when we come across the situations, we remember that our God was there before. He went through and he passed the test. The finished part was finished part from whatever that was happening at that time. But it was great opportunity for Jesus to move to another level. It was finished on the cross, but it was a new journey for Jesus to go and get the keys for us to access the eternal life. Remember, the devil was sure that when we die, we go to hell before Jesus. Now Jesus died for us to get eternal life. He said it is finished on the cross, but for him it was a new journey. Now Jesus much. He goes to hell to get the keys for the hell, so that when we come, he can stand and say, these ones I died for him. When udevela qala ukuthi hayi man, but unethenga ungathi unenkinga man, unethenga ungathi uyenze 1 2 3 4 uJesu wafela. By the time I said it is finished there, I was saying finish even on this situation. The finished part that I was saying was even confirming that whatever that is doing now, I died for him on the cross. Siyabonga uNkulunkulu ayosiza.